Unboxing Suchiu 10,101 1/10 scale starter monster truck. On phone case is light to carry. Compartments hold batteries or tools for trips. Carry case included. Left, stock remote. Right, RC car. Bottom, 2300 toolkit. Phillips screwdriver. 4 springs. Repair tools. Charge. Many ask RC model versus toy. Break it. Manual lists parts, numbers. Restore this RC car with parts. Toy cars break, yet trashed. RC is repairable. Original stock remote channel. Very comfortable wheel grip. It shakes too. Knobs adjust steering throw and speed first knob. Turn fully faster. Slow it down so kids play safe. 4 R clips hold shell remove. Strips and roll cage protect shell. Outside and inside. Unplug light wire. Set aside. Suchiu 10,101 feels heavy in hand heavy. Front I-beam brace. Like train track. 4 metal shocks, metal drivetrain. 550 brushed motor. 60 integrated ESC/receiver. Servo underneath steers left, right. Thick 3 to 4 millimeters thick. Rubber base chassis metal nylon blend. Strong yet flexible. No adjustable upper/steering links. Rear uppers fixed. Nylon very soft. Adjustability on beginner cars is pointless. Most newbies won't tune. Bad tuning. Fixed links beat adjustables. Keeps flex. Lowers down. Overall brushed motor with 60 amp ESC. 2S feels weak, but fine for beginners. Like brutal speed? Go 3S or 4S if skilled. Wing flexes. Survives crashes. Won't break. Wheelie bars miss at this angle fit at 45 to 60 degrees. Wheelie bar grounds. Car moves on. Stop. Wheelie wheel is all nylon. Best for tough flex. Avoid rigid links. In crashes or rolls. Wheelie bar resists damage. Lao Gao wants flex, not rock hard. Wheelie bar wheel. Smooth. Bearing inside. Nice touch. Battery tray fits larger or 3 bigger batteries fit. Lao Jiao's Lightning 4500 fits. Install upright. Remove 2 side posts. Then 4 chassis screws. Strap flat. Place battery on. Strap it. Thread through. Now 3S. If bashing hard, replace brushed motor. Use 3S motor and 3S battery. Hope you don't burn brushed motor. Lao Gao tests 2S stock and 3S Lightning. Install stock 2S. Guys, stop. Brushed motor can't break 10,000 questions about Suchiu 10,101. That's it. Like, follow, save. See you. Bye.